Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a plant in the Fogwing Asset Plus platform, an essential step to organize and manage assets efficiently. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Fogwing Asset account. Once logging in, click on the Settings menu item on the menu to navigate to the Settings page. Then, click on the Plant module located under Organization Setting. Click the Add Plant button to initiate the plant creation process. This will open up an Add Plant form. Enter plant name. Identifier. Please provide the time zone of your plant location and configure the plant's working days. Then, choose the number of shifts that this plant operates. Enter the shift names and respective working hours. Please make sure that you select proper shift hours for accurate metrics and reports. The Asset Plus follows the 24-hour clock format. Shifts configuration allows each plant or facility to operate in its unique time zone with varying shift hours according to its needs. These configuration helps plants or facilities to align their maintenance activities with operational schedules, minimizing production disruptions. Once completed, click on the Load More and fill details like monthly capacity of production, unit of measurement, operation, location, address, latitude, and longitude. Once satisfied, take a look over the information provided and click the Submit button to confirm. Your new plant is now added to the Fogwing Asset Platform. Remember, you can always edit or delete plants if needed. Once plant is added, you can create assets belongs to this plant. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus demo on how to add plants. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope this demo is helpful to you. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.